Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by unlocking the watch and disabling wrist detection if bands are tight. This prevents accidental locks. Once done, set the device face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches and position the crown away from you so buttons are visible. Now locate the two tiny release buttons on the back. These are the mechanical gates holding each strap in place. Press one release button firmly while you prepare to slide the band out. Make sure your hand is steady and your fingers clear of the watch face. With the watch secured on the cloth, press and hold the release button completely down. Half presses won't free the latch. While keeping the button depressed, slide the strap parallel to the watch body. Do this in a smooth, steady motion so the rail clears the channel. If the band resists, pause and wiggle it slightly back and forth while maintaining pressure. This realigns the latch. Make sure not to pull at an angle or yank hard, because that can damage the rail or the internal connector. After the strap releases, inspect the connector and channel for lint, grit, or bent rails. Clean with a soft brush if needed so new bands seat properly. To install a new strap, align its rails with the channel, slide straight until you hear a click, and then tug gently to confirm it's locked. If a band won't release, try pressing the release while holding the watch at different angles. If still stuck, use a thin non-metal tool to clear debris, or take it to service to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.